cloudy emotional. No, you bulletproof. Act like a funeral. That's all I'm gonna say. It's just a big beauty up there. And actually, it does look kind of stormy again, to be honest. We have forecast for thunder, so I shouldn't really be out here in this weather. I shouldn't really be out here, but you know I am. So and oh man, I'm hungry. Look at how nasty that is. As you can see, not. Oh man, it's getting heavy yet. Oh. Can you actually see the rain on? Yeah. You see the rain on the camera? Oh man. Alright, Smurfy. Alright, down there. That cloud there. Don't see any water on the camera. Oh, there's water on the camera. My flashlight's on. What the hell? I'm just gonna record this until the rain actually stops. Just seriously, god damn, it looks like hail. Looks like hail on here. Damn. Looks like hail on here. We did have thunder today when we were out, but don't now. Well, I'm gonna be quiet for the rest of the video now. And all you'll be able to hear is the rain, so I'm gonna be quiet now. Goodbye. Sorry about that, I was chucking something in the thing. Let me just see if there's any more. Nah. Looks like it's not gonna thunder anymore. Ooh! Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me just look around. Oh man, look at all that rain. Man. Yeah, you can see this blue sky. I don't know if you can see the blue sky in the video, but there, that's a big cloud. And, looks alright. But here you go, you can have a look on the bin for the rain coming down. Look, there you go. And I just hope the rain doesn't get inside my phone. Because you can kind of see the inside of it, so I just hope it doesn't get inside of my phone. Oh god, see, fell over with my phone in my hand. Phone's soaking. There you go, have a go of the car. Well, as you can see, the dark cloud's kind of passing over now. It's kind of over here now, so it's kind of going over that way now. So that does look thundery, doesn't it? But